Welcome you in my YouTube channel IPS Math Classes. Please subscribe my channel. Welcome you in class plus 1 IPS Math Classes. Today our topic is AP series arithmetic progression. Chapter number sequence and series arithmetic progression. First of all, here the formulas is T1 is equal to A is first term, second term T2, A plus D, where D is common difference. Formula to find D common difference is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. And now third term is A plus 2 times D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Here A is constant first term and D into 5 minus 1, 4. Here 10th term is A plus 9D, as it is T100 is A plus 99D, and so on. General formula is Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to learn this formula. Last term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have to move on the first question. Question number first. Find the 10th term of the series 12, 10, 8 up to so on. So we have to write first term firstly. A is equal to 12. Common difference. We denoted with common difference with D. T2 minus T1. T2 means term second. Term second is 10 minus T1. T1 donated to first term. First term is 12. 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. We have to find 10th term. Formula of 10th term is A plus 9D. So putting the value of A is equal to 12 plus 9 into minus 2. 12 minus 9 into 2 is 18. 12 minus 18 is minus 6. Question number second. Find the nth term of the sequence series is find nth term. Nth term is last term of the sequence is 5 to minus 1, minus 4, minus 7 up to so on. Here first term is 5. D common difference. Formula is T2 minus T1. Value of T2 is 2 minus T1 is 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Here nth term. Formula of nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Putting the value of A is equal to 5. N minus 1 into D is minus 3. Multiply with 3, minus 3 with n. Minus 3n, minus minus plus 3. The 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3n. The nth term is 8 minus 3n. Example 3, question number 3. Find the first term of AP the first term of an AP is -4 and the 10th term is 14. Determine the 30th term. Solution: let the first term be A and D be the common difference. So here A is equal to first term is equal to -4 according to question. 10th term is equal to 14. Formula of 10th term is T10 is equal to A plus 9D. 10th term is given is equal to 14. Putting the value of A, we find D -4. Putting the value of A, -4 plus 14 is equal to 9D is equal to 18. Value of D is 18 by 9. 9 cancel with 18. D will be 2. Determine the 30th term. Formula of 30th term is A plus 29D. In the value of A is equal to -4 plus 29 into D. -4 plus 29 into 2, 58. 58 minus 4 is equal to 54. So 30th term is 54. Question number 4. Find the 10th term of AP. The 10th term of AP is 52. Question number 4. The 10th term of AP is 52 and the 16th term is 82. Find 32nd term. First of all, 10th term according to question, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. According to question, 10th term is equal to 52 and 16th term is equal to 82. Formula of 10th term is A plus 9D is equal to 52. Let it equation number first. 16th term, formula of 16th term is A plus 15D is equal to 82. Let it is equation number second. Simultaneously, with elimination method, we have to find value of A and D. Change the sign. A is cancelled with A. 15 minus 9 minus 6D is equal to 82 minus 52 minus 30. Value of D is equal to 30 by 6 is equal to 5. Put D equal to 5 in equation number first. The value of A is equal to A plus 9 into 5, 45 equal to 52. A will be 52 minus 45. A is equal to 7. We have to find 32nd term. 32nd term is A plus, formula of 32nd term is A plus 31D. Value of A is 7. Value of D is 5. 7 plus 35 into 5, 155. 155 plus 7 is equal to 162. Here 32nd term is 62. Important question. Question number 5. Very important on the point of examination view. Question number 5. If an AP, in an AP, if mth term is n and nth term is m, where m not equal to n, find pth term. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference. So here, according to question, mth term is equal to n and nth term is equal to m. In last question, as question number 4, a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. Let it equation number first, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m. Let it be equation number 2. Solve it with elimination method, changing the sign. A is cancelled with a, d is common, m minus 1 minus n minus minus plus 1 is equal to n minus m. 1 is cancelled with 1 and taking minus common, n is positive, m is negative, n minus m. N minus m is cancelled with n minus m, d is equal to minus 1. Put d equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. We have find value of a. We have to find a plus m minus 1 and putting the value of d is minus 1 in equation number first is equal to n. A minus m minus minus plus 1 equal to n, and value of a is just changing the sign, m is positive and 1 is negative. Value of a is n plus m minus 1. Pth term, formula of pth term, we have to find pth term. Pth term is a plus p minus 1 into d. Just putting the value of a, n plus m minus 1 plus p minus 1 into d is minus 1, n plus m minus 1 multiply with p into 1 minus p minus minus plus 1, 1 is 1 cancel, and the value of pth term is n plus m minus p. Very important question. Question number 6. Which term of AP? Question number 6. Which term of the AP is 1, 6, 11, 16 is 301? In 10th class, it is very important question. Let here solution will be, a will be 1, d will be t2 minus t1, t2 is 6 minus 1, d is 5, nth term 301. Nth term is last term. Formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Just putting the value of tn. Tn is 301. Putting the value of a 1, n minus 1. Value of d is 5. Multiply 5 into n, 5n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5n. 301 minus 1 is equal to 300 plus 5. 305 is equal to 5n, and value of n is 305 divided by 5, n will be 61, and the given is 301 is 61st term of an AP. Similarly, question number 7. Which term in the AP 5 to minus 1 is minus 22? Same question. A is equal to 5. D will be T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Tn is equal to minus 22. Formula of Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, replacing the value tn minus 22, a is equal to 5, n minus 1 into d will be minus 3. Multiply minus 3n with n, minus minus plus, minus 22 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n, minus 22 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 30, minus 3n, minus is cancelled with minus, n will be 30 divided by 3, n is equal to 10. Here minus 22 is 10th term of AP. Question number 8, very important. If mth term of an AP is n and nth term is m, show that m plus nth term vanish. Vanish is मतलब zero. Vanish is meaning zero. According to question, same. Let if a be the first term and d be the common difference. Here, according to question, mth term is n, nth term is m. A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. Equation number first, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m. Changing the sign, d common, m minus 1 minus n plus 1 is equal to n minus m. 1 is cancelled with 1, minus common, n minus m is equal to n minus m. N minus n will cancel with n minus m. D will be minus 1. Put d equal to minus 1 in equation number first. We have to find value of a. A will be m plus n minus 1. Now 0, show that m plus nth term. M plus nth term is equal to formula of m plus n term, a m plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value of a, m plus n minus 1, m plus n minus 1 into d. M plus n minus 1 minus m minus n plus 1. 1 is cancelled with 1, m is cancelled with m, n is cancelled with n is equal to 0. So now question number 9 to 12 we will done in part 2, second video. Please watch my IPS math classes channel daily and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. For more video, please subscribe my YouTube channel IPS Math